Understanding Individual Retirement Accounts 101, a beginner's guide. Welcome back to our channel, where we empower you to make informed financial decisions. In today's video, we're diving into the world of individual retirement accounts, commonly known as IRAs. Whether you're just starting your career or planning for retirement, understanding IRAs is crucial. So let's get started with our beginner's guide to IRAs. First things first. What exactly is an individual retirement account, or IRA? Well, an IRA is a tax-advantaged investment account designed to help individuals save for retirement. It offers a wide range of investment options, allowing your money to grow over time. There are two main types of IRAs: traditional IRAs and Roth IRAs. Let's explore the differences between them. Traditional IRAs are funded with pre-tax dollars. This means that contributions you make to a traditional IRA are tax-deductible in the year they are made, potentially lowering your taxable income. However, when you withdraw funds from a traditional IRA in retirement, those withdrawals are subject to income tax. On the other hand, Roth IRAs are funded with after-tax dollars. This means that you contribute to a Roth IRA with money that has already been taxed. The major benefit of a Roth IRA is that qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free, including both contributions and earnings. Now let's talk about contribution limits. In 2023, the annual contribution limit for both traditional and Roth IRAs is $6,000 for individuals under 50 years old. If you're 50 or older, you can make an additional catch-up contribution of $1,000. Bringing the total to $7,000. It's important to note that contribution limits may change over time, so always check the latest updates from the IRS. Another key factor to consider is eligibility. To contribute to an IRA, you must have earned income, such as wages or self-employment income. However, there are income limits that determine whether you can deduct your contributions to a traditional IRA or contribute to a Roth IRA. Be sure to review these limits to ensure you meet the requirements. Now let's touch on the investment options within an IRA. With both traditional and Roth IRAs, you have the flexibility to invest your contributions in various assets, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. It's important to diversify your investments based on your risk tolerance and retirement goals. One major advantage of IRAs is their potential for compound interest. Over time, your contributions and investment earnings can grow exponentially. It's a powerful way to supercharge your retirement savings. Lastly, let's briefly discuss penalties and withdrawals. Withdrawing funds from an IRA before reaching age 59 and a half may result in an early withdrawal penalty of 10% on top of any taxes due. However, there are some exceptions to this rule, such as using IRA funds for qualified education expenses or a first-time home purchase. That wraps up our beginner's guide to IRAs. Remember, IRAs offer a tax-advantaged way to save for retirement, and choosing the right type of IRA depends on your personal circumstances. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please comment below. We're here to help. We'll do our best to respond to your questions directly in the comments or create a dedicated video to address them. Don't hesitate to reach out and let us assist you in planning for a secure retirement. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into retirement planning strategies. Until then, take care.